दुनिया हाथ कभी तो झटपट हाथ बढ़ाते हैं शिक्षक। जीवन डगर है, जीवन समर है, जीवन संघर्ष सिखाते हैं शिक्षक। देकर अपनी ज्ञान की पूंजी हमें योग्य बनाते हैं शिक्षक। इस देश और दुनिया के लिए एक अच्छा समाज बनाते हैं शिक्षक। नहीं हो कहीं अशांति, बस यही एक पैगाम फैलाते हैं शिक्षक। गिरते हैं जब हम तो उठाते हैं शिक्षक। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, myself Savi Vaiti from 12th C Commerce, here to recite a poem on the occasion of Teachers' Day, a poem by Kevin William Huff, Why God Created Teachers. When God created teachers, He gave us special friends to help us understand His world and truly comprehend the beauty and the wonder of everything we see and become a better person with each discovery. When God created teachers, He gave us special guides to show us ways in which to grow, so we can all decide how to live and how to do what's right instead of wrong, to lead us so that we can lead and learn how to be strong. Why God created teachers in His wisdom and His grace was to help us learn to make our world better and a wiser place. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Kritika Uzzar and I am from Aman Rao Muranjan Junior College, 12th B Commerce, and today I am here to recite a poem for Teachers' Day. With a special gift for learning and with a heart that deeply cares, you add a lot of love to everything you share. Even though you mean a lot, you'll never know how much, for you help to change the world through every life you touch. You sparkle the creativity to the student whom you taught and help them thrive for goals that could never be bought. You are such a special teacher that no words could ever tell. Thank you. I hope you like this poem, and poem is dedicated to all my teachers. Thank you.
नमस्कार, माझे नाव तेजस समाधान साखरे. मी इयत्ता 12वीतील विज्ञान बी शाखेतील विद्यार्थी आहे. गुरु. आयुष्याच्या प्रत्येक वळणावर मैलाचा दगड होतो गुरु. शाळेच्या इमारतीची कोनशिला होतो गुरु. गुरुशिवाय ज्ञान नाही, गुरुशिवाय जाण नाही. जाणीवेच्या पलीकडे समजावून सांगतात गुरु. पुस्तकांच्या बाहेरचं ज्ञान भंडार म्हणजे गुरु. आदराचं श्रद्धास्थान म्हणजे गुरु. शील क्षमा करुणेचा अतांग सागर गुरु. ज्ञानधनाने भरलेली घागर म्हणजे गुरु. शाळा म्हणजे मंदिर सांगतात गुरु. भाषा संस्कृतीची रुजवण करतात गुरु. जीवन कलाकृतीचे शिल्पकार गुरु. बागेतल्या रोपट्याला वाढवणारा माळी होतो गुरु. कच्च्या मातीला आकारणारा कुंभार म्हणजे गुरु. आई शब्दांची ओळख करणारेही गुरु. शेतकरी माझा बाप समजावणारेही गुरु. मनामनात वंदनीय युगे युगे गुरु. माझ्या कवितेचा शब्द शब्द अर्पिते गुरु. माझ्या कवितेचा शब्द शब्द अर्पिते गुरु.
Good morning, respected teacher and all my dear friend. I am Maskum from 12th C Commerce. I am here to speak a poem on Teachers' Day. Every day you greet your student with a smile upon your face. Through paper all the night before seemed like a groaning race. Money is not your motivation, it's the love for what you do. You hear that special calling to which you always will stay true. Your students are your delegation. The application is to them. To you each child's unique and special, beautiful little gems. Some days are just demanding and frustration take its course. Day you see those little faces, their inspiration is your force. Each day you are in your classroom, reminder you why you are there, making difference in children's lives with whom you are share heart is share. There is special pride in teachers and a love for what you do, and appreciation always share between those little lives in you. Thank you teacher for acting like a friend and taking time to show me lesson hard to comprehend, and thank you for your caring. Happy Teachers Day to all the respected teachers. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Sanjana Rajesh Gupta and I am studying in 12th standard. The title of the poem is Teachers and it is written by Kevin Williams Huff. Teachers paint their minds and guides their thought, share their achievement and advise their faults, inspire a love of knowledge and truth, as you light the lamp which leads our youth. For our future brightens with each lesson you teach, each smile you lengthen, each goal you help reach. For the dawn of each poet, each philosopher and king begins with a teacher, and the wisdom they bring. Thank you.
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to wish all the teachers a happy Teachers' Day. Teaching talk about an underappreciated profession. Without teachers, we wouldn't have doctors, lawyers, CEOs, engineers, authors, and the list goes on. Teachers go through additional schooling, work nights and weekends, yet have a smile on face while teaching. Behind every successful person, there is a good teacher. Teachers are the lights of our life. They sculpture us to bring the best out of us. They are the persons whom we respect and admire the most. Here I would like to share my memory about the dearest teacher who inspired me with her knowledge and dedication to work. I feel so lucky to be her student. This speech is my dedication to my Swapna teacher who is teaching us maths from 11th standard. Many of us forget that teachers work overtime because they tend to keep quiet about it. Too many people think that teaching profession is easy, but teachers make it look easy. They don't show how much effort they take behind in just one lecture. Not just Swapna ma'am, but all my teachers, including my class teacher Anita ma'am, and all my subject teachers, they are just excellent in their work. Here is a poem that I would like to dedicate to all of them. I would thank you all, not just for being a good teacher, but for being our caring second mother. I would like to thank you all, not just for being our teachers, but for being a guide and a mentor. I would thank you all, not just for helping us out, but for motivating us and melting away our doubts. A lesson that all the teachers taught me, the dedication to work, what a passion they have in teaching. I am very much influenced by them. All I could say is thank you, and honestly is the least we could do. I would like to conclude my PPT with a line that you all have always been an excellent educator who knew how to illuminate a soul with its light. We are so honored to have teachers like you who have taught us about much about life and the importance of being a good human being. We are also grateful to you for being so kind and patient with us all along our fault and mischief. This is a small way of acknowledging the selfless work you put in for our bright future. We hope you have a great time today. Wishing you joy and happiness. You all are an amazing teachers and you deserve the best. Happy Teachers Day.
How meaningful were these poems? Truly, what an amazing way it is to convey your wishes and your gratitude towards your teachers. संगीत एक ऐसी कला है जो आपके ऊपर प्रहार तो करती है लेकिन आपको दर्द नहीं होता। संगीत वो एक ही भाषा है जिसे पूरी दुनिया समझ सकती है। अब मैं तन्वी बिड़े से निवेदन करना चाहूँगी कि वो अपनी कला का प्रदर्शन करें।
Hello, my name is Tanvi Sunil Bediye and I'm from 12C Commerce. Today I'm gonna sing a song for Teachers Day and I hope you all like it. थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वही। थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नहीं पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंचे भरे उड़ा, ऊंचे भरे उड़ा। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नहीं पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंचे भरे उड़ा। दूर उस गगन में उड़ते फिरते गाते, तराने ही तुम्हारे हम गुनगुनाते। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें। थैंक यू।
धन्यवाद तन्वी, अपने इन मधुर सुरों से हमारा दिन और सुहावना